Good morning to one and all. Today we are here to present a skit. The title of our skit is The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. So let's start. Once in a time, Diomedes, there lived an old couple having no children, but they had a little dog named Muko. Come here, Muko, come here. Let's feed him. They feed Muko with their own chopsticks.
Take this. Take this. It's been late for what? Please bring my lunch. Let's go. I have to figure that. I hope you will wait me. Yes, you will come with me. Let's go.
The far old man beginning the ride with anyone anywhere. Every day Muko followed him. One day the dog tried to take him to some sport. What happened, Muko? What's wrong with you? What do you want? Tell me. What happened, Muko? What do you want? Tell me. What's wrong? Is there something? Wait, Muko. What happened? What do you want? Tell me. Is there something? Wait, I will pick. Oh, what a miracle. Oh my God. Hey, wait, come here. Look at this.
Oh, what a miracle. How do you find this?
Our Muko says this.
Oh, okay, Muko.
Let's give free to our neighbors. Let's go.
Okay.
Take this sweet. Take this sweet.
What happened? Why are you giving this sweet?
It's a happy day for us. It's a happy day. We have a treasure.
From who?
Our Muko said under the ground.
Oh, your Muko has congrats.
Thank you.
We know that Muko helped you there.
Yes, we know. Let's kill the dog. With the old farmer and his wife know that the dog was hit by the wicked friend.
Hey Muko, come. Take this. Hey Muko, stop. Muko show you to the treasure. Hey partner, please. Stop Muko, I think. Oh, what is this? This is bad.
It is bad.
I killed the dog.
They went to the grave of the dog and set up some bamboo tubes. We know that our Muko is killed by our wicked neighbors. He don't know. Let's burn some candles. Let's go.
Wake up, master.
Oh, Muko, are you speaking?
Yes, I am speaking. I want to tell you something. Just listen it quietly.
Okay.
Cut down the pine tree over my grave and make mortar and milk.
Okay, I will do it.
The wicked couple was watching it all. Hey, wait, come here. Come, let's go, wake up. Our Muko tell to cut down the pine tree over his grave. Let's go.
Can you say that our neighbors who has a dog named Bittu to get a water and meat, whatever put in which turns into a pile of gold coins.
Let's keep it aside.
Okay.
to take this wheel. Become rich taxpayer. I have got some water and meat. We want this gas.
Hey, why you come here?
I want some water and meat.
Okay, why, come there, take that water and we'll give it there.
Oh, what is this? This road take it will give us but not there where we interest. They are the poems, they are very bad. I am very angry and you know I am going to burn me down.
The wicked couple burned their mortar and mill.
Master, what happened, Moko? I have found again in my spirit.
You know the big couple have burned the mortar and mill.
Yes, I know.
Just listen it. Take some sprinkles and sprinkle it on the bare trees. You will see the magic.
Okay, I'll do it.
That night again the spirit of the dog comes into the dream of old farmer. Hey boy, wake up. Again the dog spirit come in my dream. The dog spirit tell to me, take the ash and sprinkle to the trees. We will see the magic. Let's go. Okay.